So thus far we have learned the basics of creating a UI controller, and we know how to create a simple screen, filter data, sort data, add related data from other tables, and even debug some of that information. Now let's do a summary exercise to review all of these steps. So the first thing we are asked to do in our summary exercise is to add a show orders detail controller. So let's go to exercises, add new item, choose a UIController and call it show order details. Perfect. We're going to use the orders details table. So we're going to go into base, models, order details, place it here. We're going to say from order details. Great. And we're going to build our code. We're going to add a grid to the screen. And we're going to select some columns. Order ID, product ID, unit price, quantity, and discount. Cool. Let's first of all run it and see that it works so far. So we're going to add an entry here. Show order details. Double click it. And then call our code. We can actually drag our show order details controller using the Alt key, and it will generate a new blah blah blah, and we just need to add dot run. Cool. So let's do that. And exercises, show order details, and we can see the orders details table. Perfect. Next, you want to filter the data to display only rows where the unit price is greater or equal to 20. That's going to be easy. So we're going to say where add order details where unit price is greater or equal to 20. Let's run it. We can see that it works. We can also use Shift F12 to debug it and see in the where that the unit price is greater or equal to 20. Perfect. Let's commit what we've done so far. We're going to call it the UI controller summary step 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Next, let's order it according to order ID in descending order. So we're going to say order by add order details dot order ID descending. We can see that it's in descending order. Great. Let's commit it as well. UIController summary exercise add order by. Let's copy this so I'll get it a lot. Perfect. Next, let's add a relation to go and get the product name. So we're going to select the products table, drag it into our code. Perfect. And add relations, add to products, where product ID is equal to order details dot product ID. Perfect. Let's go ahead and put this on the screen. We'll resize the product ID column. Duplicate the text box, place it here, and select the product name from the products table. And now we can see that the product ID is translated correctly, and also when we change values, it will recompute. Great. And perfect. That's it. That's the exercise.